All right, folks. Well, thanks for joining us again today. It is episode 6. And so retailers versus manufacturers. Brian, would you take us through that a little bit?
All right, Eric. Yeah, microdermabrasion devices are very complex units. They balance performance and reliability while processing and running one of the most abrasive substances on earth through their systems. So as a result, if the machine isn't engineered properly, they're going to require support. Unfortunately, the vast majority of microdermabrasion units sold in the United States are imported from Asia and sold through retail distributors. You'll see them on Amazon or in the catalogs. And the people that sell these devices, they have no understanding of how microdermabrasion devices work, why they fail. They don't have a technical support staff to support them. And, their primary objective is to resell machines to you. So I think you got to be very careful when you're in the microdermabrasion market to make sure that you're purchasing a unit from a company that either manufactures the device or has a very solid understanding of how the device works and has a technical support staff that can help you if you run into problems. As we've mentioned, there's nothing worse than leaving a client on the table when your microdermabrasion device fails. And, it could lead to weeks, if not months, if at all, to get them repaired.
Right. Well, that kind of begs a question for me then. We know there's all kinds of, low-end devices, we'll call them. They're really inexpensive. We might even refer to them as disposables. And probably the home user market is, a big part of that supporting audience that would buy these things. And, I think any professional esthetician or service provider would likely know enough to stay away from those low-end machines. Is that a fair comment?
Yeah, interestingly enough, a lot of the machines that you see advertised on Amazon and through retail distribution really are better suited for the home user that's going to use the device occasionally, won't be in big trouble if it breaks down and they become, as we say in the industry, sort of expensive doorstops.
Right. So I guess, at the end of the day, having the home user find out that these low-end machines really don't serve them all that well, ultimately is going to, maybe push them back into the Medi-Spa or the professional esthetician to help them get the service and the results that they actually need. Do we see that happening at all in the market?
Yeah, I think that could be the case. Again, I think most people would rather go in and have a professional skincare provider provide the microdermabrasion treatment. And honestly, microdermabrasion can be used in conjunction with a number of other skincare therapies that might not be available to the home user. So there's definitely positives to move back into the professional realm.
Okay, good. Is there anything else you think that would be important for consumers or professional estheticians to consider when you think about a retailer versus a manufacturer such as Dermaglow?
Again, if you're a professional esthetician, I would suggest you buy professional tools for the job, just like a mechanic would buy professional socket set and other tools. Your living depends on it. You want to buy the best tool and be supported by the best manufacturer. Here at Aesthetic Solutions, Dermaglow, we design, manufacture, and support our Dermaglow microdermabrasion devices. Our technical support staff is right here in the United States, an 800 number away. If you ever have a problem with one of our devices, you can call in, and 90% of the time, because our technicians understand the potential problems with the microdermabrasion devices, they can fix it right over the phone. If they can't, one of the services that we provide is a loaner program. If you have clients on the books and can't afford to do without your machine for a while, we can send you a machine out the day we get the phone call and get you back up in business. So that's one of the differences between a professional microdermabrasion company and one of these retailers.
Right, right. And, we are in the business of supporting our customers, and with that, they get this loaner program. And at the end of the day, it's a lifetime warranty that they get when they are operating, our machines within the protocols as defined by us, the manufacturer. Is that the way to think about it?
Yeah, absolutely. It's like anything else. It's better to invest a little more upfront to have the peace of mind and to know that you have a quality product that you're using, not only to provide a quality treatment, but to know it's going to continue to work while you have clients on the table.
All right. Good stuff. Well, I hope that helps everybody else out there in our audience think about microdermabrasion and the advantages of working direct to manufacturer versus some of the other retail alternatives. So that's episode 6. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll hope to hear and have you all join us next time. Have a great day. Bye for now.